the Aperol Spritz. It's bittersweet, bubbly and well liked. If it was a person, it would be that pleasant but popular girl who you all hate for absolutely no reason other than her existing. And not that you have any deep-rooted insecurities with yourself or anything like that. Alright, that first bit was a bit harsh, so put your claws away. But anyway, I'm going to make this two different ways, and I hope one of them is going to convert those people who are sat on the fence with Aperol Spritzes. Rogue's gallery of ingredients. We've got Prosecco, Aperol, soda water and an orange for your garnish. Okay, I'm going to make these side by side. The one on the left is going to be less bitter and the one on the right is going to be more of an old school version. Right, let's start off by adding some ice to our glasses. Now for the one on the left, you want to start off by adding 3 ounces, that's 90ml of Prosecco. And one on the right, add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of Prosecco. Follow this up by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml of Aperol. Some absolute weapon decided to bib their horn whilst I was pouring the one on the right, caused me to piss Aperol everywhere. And there is such thing as a novel invention called a mobile phone, you absolute twat. Then finish this off by adding 1 ounce, that's 30ml of soda water to each of these drinks. History-wise, this drink hails from Italy, from Venice and Padua around the 1920s. Then give this a light stir. Garnish with an orange slice, and as you can see, I've treated myself to a new Japanese paring knife, which is great as I've butchered garnishes in the past on this channel. And secondly, I treat myself to a proper peeling knife, so there'll be no incidents like in the old-fashioned video where my kitchen resembled a scene from Alien. Now the taste test. Now I often think Aperol Spritzes can be a little bit maligned by some people. They are like a bit of the Marmite of the cocktail world. But I suggest if you want to give this drink a chance and struggle with Aperol, please try the one on the left because I don't think it's a bad drink at all. So for those of you who haven't been swayed and you want to give Aperol Spritzes a second chance, just give it a go. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy and have a couple more and behave yourselves.